Welcome to our Sit with Jesus series, Release All Anxiety and Discouragement. Sit down in a comfortable position and take a deep breath in, Jesus, and breathe out, I trust in you. Another breath in, Jesus, and another breath out, I trust in you. Feel your body relax and imagine you are laying on the beach. The sky is blue and you can feel the cool breeze on your face. It's like the breeze, this wind is different. It's as though your thoughts, your fears, your worries are being carried away by this breeze. As the sun shines and the worries are lifted, you see just ahead of you Jesus is standing there. He gently asks you to come closer just one step at a time. No pressure. No expectation, just peace. As you get closer, you feel the weight of your day. You see the insecurities, the lies, they're all melting away. He stretches out his hand and invites you to come closer. You see the wounds that are there, those wounds that saved the whole world. They are beautiful, and they are healing your wounds. At that very moment, he whispers a word to you, a word for you and only you. Listen to him. Believe him. As he continues on his way and you watch him depart, you are filled with this knowledge that he's not far away at all, that gentle breeze reminds you God is within you. Continue to breathe in Jesus and breathe out, I give everything to you. Take another breath in. Jesus, I give everything and everyone to you. Open your eyes and know that God is with you. God is for you, and God loves you. If this meditation helped you at all, share it with a friend and be sure to follow the Open Doors podcast for more encouragement, love, and peace. Have a great day. God bless you, and Mother Mary protect you.